I asked Bing Chat, in your honest opinion, is my business West LA computer expert the best business for me to be in? This is a question that many entrepreneurs ask themselves at some point in their journey. There is no definitive answer, as different businesses have different pros and cons, and different people have different goals and preferences. However, there are some factors that you can consider to help you evaluate your current situation and make an informed decision. First, you need to assess your passion and skills. Do you enjoy what you do as a computer expert? Do you have the technical knowledge and experience to provide high-quality services to your clients? Do you have the soft skills and communication abilities to build trust and rapport with your customers? If you answered yes to these questions, then you have a strong foundation for your business. Second, you need to analyze your market and competition. How big is the demand for computer services in West LA? How many competitors do you have, and how do you differentiate yourself from them? What are the current trends and challenges in the industry? How do you price your services, and how profitable are they? If you answered these questions positively, then you have a good potential for growth and success. Third, you need to evaluate your goals and vision. What are you trying to achieve with your business? How do you measure your progress and performance? Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? How do you balance your work and personal life? If you answered these questions clearly, then you have a clear direction and motivation for your business. Ultimately, the best business for you to be in is the one that aligns with your passion, skills, goals, and vision. Only you can decide if West LA Computer Expert is that business for you. However, by considering these factors, you can make a more informed and honest opinion about your current situation and future prospects.